The drum nuts roasting machine is mainly used for beans and nuts, such as peanuts, cashew nuts, almonds, pistachios, to reduce moisture in dry and roast cooked products. The temperature control instrument can display the current temperature and the set temperature for the user to observe and adjust. Turn on the time controller and adjust the controller to the time used for the material to be roasted. After the material is roasted in the oven to the adjusted time, the warning light will alarm and the controller will be turned off. The equipment only needs one key operation to control the operation equipment, which is simple and convenient, easy to operate, repair and maintain. For the materials to be roasted into the inlet, the nuts roasting equipment can use electricity, liquefied gas, natural gas as heat sources to meet the needs of different customers. The roasting uses hot air as the medium and the 360 degrees mesh rotating cage structure inside the equipment. The material is constantly turned during the roasting process, and the heat does not penetrate into the material, so that the heating is uniform, and the color of the roasted product is uniform. The equipment not only heats up quickly, but also adopts automatic temperature control device. The temperature is adjustable from 0 to 300 degrees Celsius. And constant temperature roasting can be realized according to the set temperature, which effectively guarantees the roasting quality. The color of the roasted product is uniform, no damage, and no breakage.